Hi, I'm Dave Koch, and I just wanted to give you a sneak peek at what's coming up on this channel. Well, I have another series coming up. It should premiere, I believe it's April 4th. And this will be a 15-part series on starting your own photography business. While I deal mainly with real estate photography because that's what I know, it really would be a good starting point for just about anyone getting into the photography field. I think one of the most important things you need to know about starting a photography business is that in the US, small businesses fail at about 50% in the first year, which is a lot. Strangely, photography businesses fail at 80% in the first year, or something very, very close to that. It's astronomical. And there's a lot of reasons for that. And hopefully, if you watch this series, you'll avoid a lot of those mistakes and be in that 20% that succeeds. Regardless, if you are starting a photography business, thinking about starting a photography business, or have a friend that's starting a photography business, I think this will be an invaluable tutorial to help them along. The short version of the tutorial will be on YouTube, and I will have an expanded version available for sale. Let's see, what else are we doing? Getting a really cool device called a base case. It's a small carry-on suitcase that folds out and becomes two monitors that you can use while you're shooting on location. I've got a location shoot coming up in the next couple weeks, going to Las Vegas, and then I think I've got another one in Phoenix coming up. I know I've got a Wyoming. In any case, this is coming out next week. It's called Base Case, and I am getting a loaner version so that I can take it out on location. So it won't be out when this releases, I believe, on Tuesday, but I will have a full review of it from a remote location. And if everything works out, I'm going to have a special guest for it too. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be very exciting. I've got a lot more of my little Photoshop Quickies coming up. Those are a lot of fun. They're quick to do, and hopefully they teach something in a very quick and fun way. I've got definitely a shoot coming up soon about how to deal with an empty house. You ever go into a house, have to shoot that, and there's nothing in it? It's just empty. A couple of different ideas for different ways to approach that. I also have lights on, lights off. What's right for you? Bunch of different things coming up. You know what? If there's something you'd like me to address too, let me know either in the comments or send me an email. Let me know what you think will work. Obviously, if any of these sound like something you'd like to see, like and subscribe so you don't miss those and all the other things that I'm working on. Other than that, hopefully just, keep making great pictures, and may your next shoot be your best shoot.